This video shows how to buy shares of Castellum AB, a Swedish commercial real estate company. Castellum trades on CBOE EU under the ticker CAST.ST. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically by uploading a valid ID, and you should add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CAST.ST to find the listing. Locate the result that matches Castellum AB on CBOE EU before proceeding. Open the asset page to review basic company details and the price chart and confirm this is the correct Castellum AB listing. Check the exchange and ticker one more time. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will ask you to deposit money before finalizing. After execution, your Castellum position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the broker link if you want to review the example platform.